2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 with the Duramax. I asked around, tried to figure out if I could fit 35-inch tires on there without adjusting the suspension, leveling kit. Ended up giving it a shot and bought some 35s by 12.5 by 20s. Put them on the truck. I've had 200 miles on it, towed with it already, and zero rubbing at all on the vehicle. Extremely happy with the tires. So they do fit. I don't know if it's a different height because of the being a Z71 or whatever, but four-wheel drive, it fits with 35s without adjusting any sort of suspension on it. Hope this helps. See you. Have a great day. Let's go.
Do not rub it off. 35-inch. Cut it back the other way, Mark. Room to spare. 35, 20, 12.5, R20.